I made a video a while ago about this book that I bought. It's a great book for beginners learning to read Arabic after weeks and many months of studying the Arabic alphabet and words. So now, with this book, Alhamdulillah, I can read quite a lot of it in Arabic. But occasionally, I come across a word that I don't know. But what I like is, when I've been reading Arabic and studying Arabic, I've been watching videos completely in Arabic, and they have a translation in some cases. So when I've come across this book, for example, I will come across a word and then I think this word I have seen it somewhere, like ba eo, which means a seller. I have come across it. There's some animation that I watch which is in Arabic, and you know I can say, oh, I've seen this word before. I might not remember it, but I know, I've come across it, so it's not completely new. And then sometimes it jogs my memory to say what the word means. So being well read, or should I say well listened, when you just listen to Arabic, listen to the animation, and you'll find some words that you don't know, but one day later on you might come across that same word and then you remember it. Another thing that I do when I come across a word I don't know, you can see like on this page I have pencil markings. I do them very faint, so if I come across a word I don't know, I try to make sense of it first by context of the sentence. If that doesn't work, I then go to Google Translate. And also, there was a dictionary that I was using online, but I think it's now paid. I can't really access it like I used to access it. So now Google Translate works quite well. And then I write faintly what the word means. I write it faintly because eventually, if I want to hand it over to somebody, I want to be able to rub out the letters, or they can rub out the meanings, and then they can also try to read on their own. Yeah, so this is what I do. I love this book. I'm still early days, because for me to actually sit down with this book, I need time. I need to know when I'm actually free. It can take me, I would say, even half an hour, if not more, for some pages to read, because I'm quite slow about it, and there are quite a few words that I don't come there are quite a few words that I don't understand. Then I end up, pausing, going back to the dictionary, coming back. And sometimes, it's like, oh my goodness, my head is hurting. I'm stressed because of the time it takes me. But you know what? After all that, when I eventually go back to the page again, I read it faster. And this is a story about Yusuf, the story of Prophet Yusuf. So they have quotations from the actual surah in there. So what I do, I actually pause, and then I go to look at the the ayah where this is taken from, and then sometimes I end up getting carried away and I read more and more and more. Yeah, so it's nice to just go and read and just reference the books, and take your time. I haven't gone through the whole book yet. It's gonna take me some time, but despite all that, I am learning, still learning, and one day I would like to read this a lot faster than I currently am. So this is my current reading book, all in Arabic, and it takes a while, but it's good. It's good progress that I'm actually able to pick up a book and recognize majority of the words on a page, and have a few that I don't understand, and then just go to the dictionary and get it. So keep on reading, don't give up, even though it seems like, if it takes you half an hour for a paragraph, so be it. But eventually, when you do go back to it, you read it so much faster, and you think, what? I struggled with this part so much last time, but now it's just like a breeze. It's amazing how that works. So don't give up, never give up, and just carry on. It's a really good book. If you want it, this is it. You can just look for it online.